This is EL-50448. It's for TPS, and then this is the instruction, right? And only one button. But look at this. You need a battery, which is 9-volt battery. So, and then inside there, you can tell there's a plus, there's a negative sign. So we have to assemble the battery. Here's plus, here's negative. So we come like that. See, it says that. Can you tell? Yeah. Anyway, it's just the way like that. Right, and then see there's a plus. Alright, just put it back in there, and then we put this over there, close, and then it's ready to work. Okay, and then alright, so let's start the car. Right, and you can see this service time monitor system. So TPSM is not active. I just installed the TPSM in the tire, and they have to relearn. So how are we gonna do that? First of all, let's check the information system. See whether there's a real tire pressure. There's nothing there, no readings, right? See, there's no readings, right? Right. So see, front tire pressure, there's no reading. So we need to have it relearn. Right, so we turn the key off, right? And then we need to turn it to the accessory side, but not the fully on side. And then we need to hold lock and lock together, and it will beeping. So that means it's okay to relearn. So let's go and check out how we're gonna relearn the whole thing. This tire need to read. So let's do it. Okay. So that's where's the TPSM there, and I press that, and see that. Let's go. This is the right front passenger side of tire. So it's here. All right. Let's do that. See, all right, then we go, see this is, so we're gonna go to the back. See this light, so it means we need to relearn this one, okay, which is here. All right, I just press it, okay, then it's, and we're gonna find it's here. All right, I'll just press this, that's it, learn. Alright, let's go back to the car. There, the car is still there, and let's turn it on. See, now we got all the pressure now. Look at that, right? Front left, which is the driver's side, 38. The passenger side is 37. And let's see the rear. See, it all shows now. Fantastic. Alright, that's it. So pretty easy. Alright, yeah.